winds, hurricane winds, up to 90 miles an hour here in Centerville.
Action up here.
We got something. We got some rollovers.
He slammed all the way to the left.
Oh,
yeah. Dang. Did you get the track?
yeah, that trailer.
He was just sitting there, minding his own business.
This guy's just chilling in the parking lot.
Down the hill.
And his owner's gonna come and see that. Not gonna be too happy. We got some congestion. That means we got some goods coming up.
Orange barrel in the road ahead.
I don't know if I should go out
Here. That guy tipped.
Here's this guy, lady, forcing all the semis off. Tow trucks.
The guy didn't make it.
Nothing.
The dead bodies in there.
Whoa. Dead bodies everywhere.
Dead bodies everywhere.
Oh, In-N-Out burger signs down.
Oh, McDonald's signs.
McDonald's sign. See through. Here's one over here.
Tipped.
He's rolled over.
Oh, some civilian.
This guy's rolled over.
Yeah. This guy too.
Another rollover.
There's another guy. He's down. He's down.
Another man down.
There's one on the other side of the road too.
Is there? Dang, they're all in the same spot.
Oh,
Inside
no.
that.
Oh, no.
Torn to pieces.
You.
Just torn to pieces.
Ripped to shreds.
Oh, great.
Oh, man.
Look at it. It's so bright, man. Look. This lagoon sign is... Oh. Another guy down. It's that 8, 9 maybe?
Man, we're heading right for this FOD. Oh! Move the FOD, dudes!
Quick! Get it, guys. Get it, guys.
Cover your fat. Oh, jeez.
Cover that up, man.